stepping out of the vehicle using the 3 points of contact. Oh. It's quite wet, so be careful when you go out of the vehicle because it's dangerous sometimes. It's locked, and check the other side. Okay. Take it down. So you got button up and down. This tail lift, it's very easy to use. Not too many buttons. Lift this lever up. Stay all the time. Stay here on the outside, so in case it falls down, it doesn't fall on you. Take this one. Take from here. Push. Take the sides. Here. Lift. Twist. Actually tilt, not twist. Okay. Step into it. When you go on the tail lift platform, don't go here. Stay here in the middle, because sometimes the platform might tilt. Stay here. Wait for that to go up, and then this is for down, this is going up. 2 buttons, up and down. Press the button all the time. Make sure your feet is outside there, so you're not staying in trouble. I'm just gonna check which pallet is for here. I think it's this one. So that's all I have today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pallets. I'm not sure if the one in the front as well. Just have to check. So posing close, it will stay, it will not go anywhere anyway. Oh, prints. Where is the label? Hamsons. No, that's the next job. So it's only 1 pallet. Quite heavy, looks small, but it's having, I think, 200-300 kilos at least. Yes, I took it on the wide side. Just need it to be all the time you're here. Lower it down so it doesn't go anywhere. The pallet is on the platform. 1 hand here, 1 hand here. Drop it down. Then usually I'm putting straps and everything, but the pallet has the foil on them, and anyway they will not go anywhere. And anyway I'm driving slow and safe. Okay, on here we go here. Drag the pallet. Now I'm doing like this, but usually I'm staying like that. I'm taking like this. But when you got uneven surface, it's better to take it like this and all the time hand here, in case you need to drop it down. Because sometimes if you go downhill, it's dangerous. So if you go downhill, don't drag it. If you go uphill, you drag it. Go downhill, push it better. So here is okay. Thank you very much, mate. You want it there? Yeah? Sorry. No problem. As long as you're happy, I'm happy.
On the paperwork,
yeah,
there's a pickup for 2 items there. It's just these 2 little bits.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's just,
so is this one?
it's just returns.
Just for the fish tanks.
Yeah,
Do
so-
I need to sign anything for
No, you
collection?
should be okay with that. So it's just I've signed up for the
Yeah,
office,
yeah.
and then that's what you give me.
Thank you very much, mate. I wish you all the best, yeah?
No, thank
Have
you
a
very
good day.
much. You too.
See you, take care. Now, job has been done. Place the pallet. I'll take one of them bars anyway to secure the pallets onto this side. They ain't go anywhere anyway. But just for safety and security purposes, because I need to show you how to secure the load. So somehow it's my mistake, I know. But and I will show you how to use the bar. So, and go anywhere, yeah? Okay. I don't know if I can manage to take the bar from there. It's too tight. Can't go the pallet there. It's okay. It's only light, heavy stuff. It's very heavy, this bar. Okay, so take this bar. I'll leave it on here for a while until I cross on the other side. Very heavy stuff, so it's not damaged or anything like that. Hop. So take the bar. This is a tension bar, eh? Take the bar. You see it's got holes there, there and there. Yeah, one side is having, look, sliding mechanism, eh? Yeah, so resistance is only there, yeah? So yeah, you see, yeah? You put in the hole, push, put in the hole here where you want it. Yeah, yeah, ain't go anywhere, yeah? So if something happened and the pallet comes here, the pallet won't go down. This pallet is too low anyway, but this is how you secure it, because the thing is here and here, those things. If it was down, you could have secured this as well, but the best thing is to secure it with strap here. But we'll just use this bar, yeah? So in my opinion, you should put pallet, bar, pallet, bar, pallet, bar. If the pallet is too high, you put one bar here, one bar here. Depends the heavy on the load, but this is how I normally do it. So that's the collection. I don't know where to put it, to be honest. I'll just drop it on here for a moment, or actually I can put it in the cab. I can put it in the cab because it's light. Anyway, hope you don't forget about this. So going down, I'm gonna put this in the cab first, and then I'll come back here. So don't trip on this one. because it might slide, eh? So go here, slow down. I'm gonna put this inside. So here it will be okay. Yeah, put here, they will not move anywhere. And of course the paperwork. Close it. Going in the back of the vehicle. So from here, lift, grab 2 hands, lift, tilt, push, secure. This up, down, every time put down. Here, slowly. Here, lift this up, push down, lift up, tilt. Yeah, it's okay. Step on the outside all the time, so don't stay in the middle or here, because the platform might collapse at any time. So stay on the side of it. After you put it up, make sure it's safe. Yeah, everything is fine. Let's go in the lorry and let's continue our journey.